This video will show you how to add general notes to your AutoCAD drawings. Select the Insert button. From the Insert dialog box, select Browse. Locate the folder Student Shared. It's the one labeled with an R. Select the folder DRFT for drafting. Select the drafting folder. Lastly, select the CAD Borders folder. This folder contains a few drawings that help you with your borders and title blocks. Select the Inches Notes drawing, then choose Open. Back at the Insert dialog box, you'll notice Inches Notes is listed, and it also shows the path where we found it. The only other button to check on this screen is the checkbox to specify the insertion point on the screen. This will allow us to place it in the correct location. Choose OK. Now you'll notice the text is near the cursor, and it's asking you to specify insertion point. The insertion point for our text will be at the lower left-hand corner of the working space. Make sure Object Snap is running and choose the endpoint. Notice this locates the text in a convenient location. There are times when you'll need to modify this text. And if you remember, you can double-click on the text to modify it. But first, since we inserted this and it's a block, we need to explode the block. So choose Explode from the menu and select the text. Right-click or press Enter, and now the text is exploded, and now we can double-click to edit the text. So let's practice that. Double-click anywhere on the text. You'll notice this takes you to the text editor. We can modify the text as needed. Maybe we only need one of these pieces this time. And maybe the piece, instead of brass, is made out of cast iron. So we'll just make that change. After modifying the text, you can choose Close Text Editor, or you can click outside anywhere of the MText Editor box. And now your text is edited and updated. So, if you'll look now, you have a border and title block. This just happens to be the A-size border and title block. You have existing text inside of your border and title block. And now you have general notes. And the general notes apply to the entire drawing. So let's review. Choose the Insert tool. Browse and go find the drawing that you want to insert into this existing drawing. In this case, we want to specify the insertion point on the screen. So we'll choose OK. The text is near my cursor, and the insertion point for this drawing is the lower left-hand corner of the working space. Click. We need to explode the text. And now if we double-click the text, we can edit the text as needed. If you have further questions, you may check Blackboard or meet with the instructor.